How did you start this business?
So this business was, started when I was in college. So I and my brother were doing the business of assembling computers. This is where we started, and we are the first generation entrepreneurs. The idea was to create something. We come from a business community, so we come from a Kutchi community which is known for business, and being a technical engineer, I wanted to do something in the business side, and it happened to be that computer assembling that time was the in thing in the business, and we said, okay, let's start with this business. And over the period, we have continuously innovated and brought about changes in our business, and I think that's been our business motto, that change is something which is constant for us as an organization, and we have changed and diversified ourselves into computers, and then now moving towards ICT and allied businesses.
What are the unique strengths of your company?
The unique strengths of our company are, we have, I would say, our partnerships with leading, giants like Intel, Microsoft, SAP. All these partnerships, which are very good leverage, because we get advantage of technology, which we get access to technology, which is early access on technology, and we are able to build innovative products which are good for emerging markets, and we are able to build those products early, and we are able to deliver it at a very, very affordable prices for the Indian markets. To say so, we have delivered products like Panache Air PC, which was the world's smallest PC, and we were the first company in the world to launch that for the consumers, and we brought that to India first. And we launched the PC with the Windows operating system, so Intel technology and Windows both at the price of starting $100, and that was something which was impossible in the previous years. So like this, we have continuously worked towards bringing innovation. I think innovation has been our strengths, one of the strengths, and other than that, our team and infra, which we have been able to build over the years, has been a good strength.
What have been the major achievements of your company?
Major achievements of our company is working on, as I said, we have continuously innovated into various category and products. We have now different segments of products which we have verticalized ourselves. So we have verticalized ourselves from compute, which is standard compute, to smart compute. So we moved ourselves from standard compute to smart compute solutions. We have retail IoT solution, we have education solution, we have connected cars and telematics as one of the solutions. So we have various solutions, and not to forget, we have also smart water solutions, which is something which we are unveiling to the world and also unveiling to India, and we are bringing solutions which will be connected. So this all products and technology what we are talking about will be connected devices and connected, will work in the connected world platform. So our foray is working continuously on technology building, which is for the masses and for our B2B customers. So our business styles are two ways. One, we work with our B2B customers where we give them technology, and our customers are selling them in their branding and labeling them. That's called our OEM business. And one segment of our business is our B2C business, where we are branding our own products under the brand Panache, and we have other ancillary brands also, I would say sub-brands like Aquatattva, Anmol, and few more to unveil as we move forward. And all these things are, as we move forward, will be going to consumers with where we should be creating very good quality products at a very affordable prices for masses in India.
How much strong is your brand?
Our brand positioning, as I told you earlier, our brand is very, very new. So in that sense, we as Panache, we have completed the 10th year, and now we are in the 11th year on the brand as Panache. And when we look at our brand and leverage, we would say that we want our brand to be known in the category where everybody likes their product. So we wish that every consumer in the categories like compute, in a category like telematics, in the category like water solutions, should be affordably using our brand and should be able to take advantage of our products and technologies which we are building. And these are all products and technology which are at a very affordable prices for masses. So that's where we are seeing our brand strength will slowly and steadily improve and will reach to the masses, because as we are an Indian entity and technology brand, we to reach the masses, we are not going the mass media way. We are going the reference and the network which is built on references basically. So it is slowly and steadily taking shape, but it's building a strong network in the masses.
How do you look at the opportunities?
I, personally look at challenges as opportunities. So in all these years, if you look at our history of Anas DigiLife, when you look at that, we always looked at challenges. So we, innovated small form factor PCs in the year 2004. So we innovated small form factor PCs in the year 2004. When we started looking at that, as a solution, because that was a solution which we brought in for people who wanted to use them for digital signage and a point of sale, and people who didn't have space, and there was space constraints in certain use cases. Like that, we have always found different challenges. So we have verticalized from our initial challenges, which was space, then to usage, and now we have verticalized into different segments on PCs, to point of sale devices, to IoT gateways, to smart solutions. So different solutions have arrived out of it, and now we have a full gamut of solutions coming out of the challenges. And this is how I look at creating opportunities, and we have been successfully able to create opportunities out of challenges. I think that's been one of our strengths, I can say so.
What would you like to say about quality standards?
Our quality standards, we are following ISO standards of quality. So we have ISO is one thing which we are following. We also have in QC, and we have continuous improvement process which we are running in our QC in our factory. Because of factory and R&D is nearby, so we continuously innovating products, and we continuously improving those. So when I look at quality. So quality is something which we trying to, we say that all our people which we working here are embedded with quality as a standard. So it comes from our design, where we look at how are we going to build the quality of the product, then to come into our engineering, and then to our, probably when we look at marketing, sales and marketing side. So in all the areas, we are very concerned on the quality of the products, and when we look at India as a geography right now, it's very diverse. And when we're looking at serving India, our consciousness is to serve, Kashmir to, Kanyakumari, and probably from Gujarat to Assam. So that's something which, we have to look at all terrain. We are looking at all types of conditions which are, coming into consumer, behaviors, and we continuously improving, on our feedbacks from our consumers. So I would say quality is a continuous improvement process for us, and we are committed to, improve, and we are committed to follow standards.
What would you like to highlight about your team?
Our team, as I mentioned, is a mix of designers to engineering and to MBA. So our team is quite diverse, and we are into continuous acquiring of talent also. We look forward for good talent coming out of industry. But right now also we say we have good talent from designing to engineering. So where designers are able to create newer concepts and designs, and these designs and concepts we are able to bring with our engineering knowledge, we are able to bring it to life, and then it goes to our team of sales and marketing, where it gets converted into, amortized into monies, I would say, where our revenues and our sales are coming from. So I think this is a very good mix of design to engineering, a very good engine which we have been able to create from our team, and is able to drive continuous revenues for the organization. This is something which we are able to drive from our team, and team is very diverse, very focused, and we definitely are working towards becoming one of the top 10 companies to be recognized in the space of ICT and IoT devices in the coming times.
What are your financial strengths?
Our current when I say financial strengths are, you can see the numbers are there on the results which have been announced. But when you look at we're not saying we are very strong in the financials, but when we look at whatever is required for our current operations. We have good support from our banking and good support which has come from our listing last year. I think we right now are very well poised for our growth for coming years, and at right time we will definitely look at more support if required. But right now we are very good and well equipped in our growth for coming years.
Who are your blue chip clients?
Our clients are large businesses. Because of this non-disclosure, I will not be able to disclose names, but we are working with customers where I would be able to give you examples where we are working with customers where we are solving smart classroom solutions for more than a decade now, where we have innovated those form factors into different designs using projection systems and making them interactive with computers, and we have helped them build the system from generation second of theirs and to probably 7th generation of the product right now, and we continuously innovating that product for the masses, and this has been used in government schools and private schools and even enterprises now as interactive projection and computing systems. This is one of the examples. Then we work with few other customers in the security space, which is which is a space which is upcoming. There are spaces of vehicle tracking and telematic solutions which we are working with some of our customers, where we are doing tracking solutions for school buses and for I would say student tracking type of solution and fleet tracking. So there are various solutions where we are working with our customers on large OEMs, which is our blue chip customers when we say, and we are continuously innovating. So some of the customers and the sensitivity of the project is such that I am not able to disclose those examples, but we are very happy that a lot of products are coming from Make in India and Made in India types, and so you will be seeing a lot of labels in future where they will be engraved with our names, with Make in India and Made in India labels on them.
What are your expansion plans?
Our expansion plans are, as I spoke about, that we are into continuous innovation and continuously expanding. So we have a couple of expansions which we have announced also. One is our upcoming factory in Bhiwandi, which is in proximity. It's like from the center of Mumbai is around 40 kilometers when we say. Is the new facility for manufacturing, where we will be able to manufacture and find 500,000 devices is what we are committing from that facility, and also we are expanding our R&D and even operations, which is office operations in Mumbai also. So we have even in that sense we have expanded inside India. We have expansion plans which are outside India, which is in Middle East, and now deep going into Africa. So that plan, as we are strategizing, we will at right time we will come to exact execution and planning about it. But as we see the markets in emerging markets which are growing in India, Middle East and Africa, these are our focus markets which we are working on, and we are working on delivering solutions to these markets.
How do you foresee the future of your company?
As I mentioned earlier in few of our earlier communication also, with Panache your future is bright, and I would say the same. Future is bright because we are committed, we are passionate, and as a technical background company and technical people team, I would say our passion is been very strong on to developing innovative products and solutions for this market, and I think we believe that then we will be achieving the zenith and the success on this space.
Any other important point you may like to share?
I believe that everything what we spoke about is right coming from my heart and very passionate about it. So I believe that this is our as I focus is technology. So and the technology right now in the human race, when you look at it, is the game changer. When you look at it, earlier the companies which were making cars are now not being talked about making cars. So what we are also looking at and working on opportunities, we are working on opportunities where a company like us we will be seeing in coming times will be talked about in certain groundbreaking technologies. We will unleash those news at the right time, to definitely whoever wishes to participate. But yeah, we are focused onto it. We will be continuously innovating on a technology base, and probably we are a young team and young I would say management. So I look forward for long term. I think next 2 decades is something which we look forward for, where we'll be covering a lot of ground in India and probably in world market. So we're very, very committed and strongly believe that we will be able to achieve those things.
Thank you.
Thank you.